Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm unboxing the new Airpods Pro 3, Apple's latest upgrade in their premium wireless earbuds lineup. I actually picked this up here in Dubai from Sharaf DG, and the best part, I used a voucher I redeemed from my credit card points. So technically this might be one of the most satisfying unboxings I've done. So as always, Apple nails the packaging. Clean white box, AirPods embossed on top, uh, minimal text on the sides. You already know that it is just by looking at it. Apple's gone completely plastic free with their packaging, so no more shrink wrap here. Instead, you've got these paper pullback tabs at the back. Let's go ahead and peel these off. Honestly, so still super satisfying, just in a quieter, more sustainable way, I guess. There's another one here. Shot of DG. Okay, let's pull that out. Inside, the familiar design by Apple in California's envelope sits on top. So you'll find the usual quick start guide, warranty info, and safety sheet. No stickers here either. Let's put that aside. And here it is, the AirPods Pro 3 in the new MagSafe USB-C case. Let's open this. Sorry, I'm just going to tear this up. Okay. At first glance, it looks a lot like the Pro 2, but the finish feels a bit more refined. You've still got the speaker holes and charging hole at the bottom, and there's a lanyard loop here. Yep, and the that satisfying hinge click is as premium as ever. Let's take out the earbuds. So same compact design with the short stems. There's a soft silicone tips, but under the hood there's Apple's new chip, which promises better adaptive audio, improved noise cancellation, and faster pairing. And under the tray there's spare earbuds. Yep, so that's my unboxing and first impressions of the AirPods Pro 3. Brought in here in Dubai from Sharaf DG, and yes, completely covered by my credit card points voucher. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.